Yeah, good morning, all of you. Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me, students? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 10 students are there. What about others? Okay, all of you are there. Huh? Maybe the other things are also getting joined here itself. So here this semester, it is the third year semester. You have third year first semester, that is fifth semester. So we are going to begin the classes from today, and I hope all of you will be convenient, and maximum will try our best to give you the best lectures for you. And the syllabus here for this semester, so here I'm sharing the screen. All of you please check the contents. Are you able to view? Yes, all of you. Are you able to view? Unmute yourself and then talk and then mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the scheme what we have for the third year, that is fifth semester. So here, as you know, DSC is already you have opted for. So I'm just giving you the brief things of today. So from tomorrow, I'll be start teaching with the syllabus. So here, so if you just see, just follow the cursor on the screen here. So the first one, SEC paper, you have mini project seminar. I think very soon mini project seminars also will be scheduled, and you have to give the seminars on that. Nagalakshmi ma'am and Malti ma'am will be handling these mini projects. So you should be ready. Maybe they give some time and then you have to present. As we have done as general seminars one, so mini project seminars also we are going to do the same. Okay. And I hope all of you have done with this mini projects. In summer break, already HOD have intimated you. Yes, ma'am. Please respond. Hello? 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 Yes, is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please respond because I don't know whether you are getting it or not. Simply I just go on talking means then it won't be nice. So if you have any problem, anything, if whatever I'm saying, if you're not getting, please unmute yourself, say me a word, and then mute again. Okay. So the general mini project seminars is nothing but the mini project what you have done as a summer internship. So that it may be done in your PHP or your Java and whatever area you are interested with. So that mini projects you have to show the executions part, and the seminar documentation also you have to do as we have done general seminars in the previous semester. So that is about the first one, first subject in the scheme of fifth semester. And then moving on to the second one, that is DSC. Okay, so these are the electives what we have. I think you have opted for big data analytics, all of you. So big data analytics will be handling by the Nagalakshmi ma'am. So yes, ma'am. Yes, bit louder, please. Hello. Hello. Okay, the second subject in fifth semester, here we have the elective. So DSE 3. So under that you have software testing, big data analytics and internet of things. As the choice is given to the students, you have opted for this big data analytics. So you will be continuing with this elective paper. Nagalakshmi ma'am will be teaching this paper. So then moving on to the next one, that is the DSE 4. Again, we have 3 papers here. Semantic web and social networks, software project management and information security. So among these 3, you have opted for software project management. No, sorry. The first one, I think, right? Semantic web and social networks. So this will be handling by Sirisha ma'am. Okay. So I think, hope soon after my class, you are having a Sirisha ma'am class. That is SW, they write semantic web in the timetables or the short forms there. Okay. And then moving on to the core papers. So here core papers, we have cloud computing, and this will be taught by Malti ma'am. And the next one we have Python and R programming. This will be taught by Bharti ma'am. And object oriented system development, that is OOSD, the short form we call this subject OOSD, which will be taught by me. Okay. So as every semester we have 5 theory papers and 2 practicals. So among 5 theory papers, 2 are electives, 1 is the core paper and the other 2 are practical papers. Okay. So the last 5th and 6th papers, that is Python and R programming and OOSD, these are the lab papers for you. Okay. So this is, I think all of you are much familiar with Python or programming. You might have heard about this because many of the webinars and many of the things have in this lockdown period are done based on this Python programming and machine learning and all. At least you might have heard. So in this semester, you are going to study in detail the theory and practical part of it. So moving on to the practical, what I am going to teach in this semester, that is object-oriented system development. So this subject OOSD is also otherwise called as UML. The short form is UML. The otherwise we call it as Unified Modeling Language. Okay. So when I start with the syllabus, I will be talking in detail about UML. So for now, the programming lab, what we have is OOSD lab. And this is not exactly the same as the practicals what we have learned in the previous semesters. It's not the programming. It's just based on the analysis part. You have to analyze and draw the diagrams for the given case studies. So how it is, you might be wondering. So I'll just tell you a small example here. So when the software projects are given by the client to the industry people, so when they take up the project, so directly they don't go for coding, right? So first they need to analyze and design, and then they start implementing in whichever the programming that the company is opting for, or whichever the programming the employees are asked for to do that coding. So they might be doing that. So here, this OOSD or UML, so this will be coming under the part of SDLC first 2 phases, where we have design and analysis and design part. So first you need to analyze what exactly it is given. Yes, I'm getting some disturbance. Any problem? Any problem? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please inform all your friends that from tomorrow I'm going to start with the classes. Okay. So for today, I'm just telling you the brief of the syllabus scheme and all. Okay. So the practical part, it won't be like the programming one. Here we are going to draw the diagrams. We are going to analyze the given case studies. So your practical final exam also will be given as some case studies, and for that case study, You have to understand, analyze, and based on that, you are going to draw the diagram. So this will be a totally different practical paper when compared to all other practical papers you have studied in this MCA course. Okay. So I hope the scheme, structure, and the subjects what all you have is it is clear. And we'll forward you the soft copy for you. And before I want to before I continue with some other details. So syllabus anyway tomorrow I'm going to start with. So I just want each one of you to on your video and start sharing. So are you comfortable joining these teams, or any problems you are getting? If any guidance or anything if you want, so then I can guide you. But one after the other. Yes, anyone? Hello? Hello, students?
Yes, ma'am.
You can on your video and talk, ma, so that all your friends also can view, and you can share your problems or trouble in logging in or anything. I can guide you, because this is the first class. So from tomorrow onwards, any of such things won't be encouraged. Yes. On your video and talk. Hello. Hello.
No problem, ma'am. All is clear.
It's clear, and all of you are able to log in easily.
Yes, ma'am.
I think all the instructions how to log in and all, everything you have given the format and the video recording or the text format, how to go about. I hope there won't be any problem for anyone. And during my classes, since PG students, you need not say all this. So don't misbehave or stopping the videos or chatting in between, or okay. So every session of ours, so this MS Teams is a secured platform for students and staff for a particular organization.
Inter starts in like.
Yes, ma'am.
Inter starts in like.
Yes, bit louder, please. Yes, DMCA students.
It start అయితుంటే చెప్పు అంటావు.
Crosstalk I am getting. Please mute yourself, all of you. Mute. Still I am getting. Okay. So I'm talking about MS Teams. So here we want the sessions to be run in a smooth way, so that we can conduct the classes with a better performance, and maximum the staff and the college, we are doing our best to give you the classes or the knowledge what we have to be shared to you. And this MS Teams is a secured platform where the staff and the students are in a secured platform where every session is recorded. So please behave yourself, and everything, the classes, maybe when you misbehave only you have problem. If you don't misbehave, or if you just follow the instructions and follow clearly, then there won't be any problem at all, even for you and for us. So whatever the recording we are doing, it will be posted in our channels in MS Teams only. Okay, maybe today's session it won't be much useful for you, But later lecturers, if at all, because of audio or net problem or something, if at all you might have missed something. Okay, so this lectures, whatever we are taking online, so that these things are recorded and this will be available in the MS Teams. Okay, in this platform only. And maximum, if I can, I will post my subject lecturers in my YouTube channel also, either here or there, wherever you're convenient with, you can just see. Okay, and whatever the screen sharing documents we have, so definitely we'll be posting in the MS Teams. Okay, still if you have any problem, you can just give the representation to your CR so that they keep in the groups. We'll send through WhatsApp also if you have any problem or if you're not getting any of those things. Okay, so and coming to attendance, since the physical tracking may not be done on the students, but the system itself is secure. As I told you, the system itself is so secure that it is recorded, and also the all the students who are attending, which roll numbers, at what time you have logged in, so everything, every detail, every 1 second will be recorded. At what time, maybe for some time 10 minutes or 5 minutes you might be there, again logged out, again log in, so everything you might be doing that way, but it will be recorded. Okay, so maybe by the end of this session I may be getting an attendance sheet. I will show you how the attendance sheet will be coming, so that you also will be careful from the day one, so how the attendance will be taken. It's not the manual thing, so automatically the system is going to generate at what time you have logged in, at what time you have logged out. Okay, maybe more than uh, it's not decided yet, but based on the time you are spending for that session, the attendance will be given. Okay, but login and logged out will be, everything will be tracked. Okay, so be careful with the attendance and all. So this will be, again it will be uploaded in the ERP, and we have proofs for every document. Okay, whether you are online or not, so the system is going to generate, even we are not going to do anything, so the system is going to generate. So please be attentive and accordingly you do the things, so that you won't be into any trouble. And I want everyone to be at the safer side and do good, because you are going to be benefited by this. Okay, so any other clarifications you want? Yes, ma, somebody raised your hand, so you can unmute yourself and then talk. Yes, Naglakshmi ma'am. Hello. Hello. DMCA students,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to hear any other crosstalks in between other than me?
No, ma'am.
Only
No,
my
ma'am.
lecture is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Audio and video.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm getting Naglakshmi ma'am's, she is asking me to unmute. Exactly, I don't know what's happening. So, okay, I'll share the syllabus. So, in just detailed things we'll see. So this year you have 5th semester subjects I just told you. The scheme is like this, and 6th semester you have project and comprehensive viva. So this comprehensive viva will be based on all the subjects what all you have studied over first semester to 5th semester. So that is what the 6th semester you are going to have. So very soon we'll be forwarding this document to you all. So for now, I'll just brief you the contents of OOSD syllabus. Or meanwhile, if you at all anyone is interested or you want to take down or anything, you can do. Yes, are you able to view the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So here object-oriented
can.
system development. So the subject title is object-oriented system development. So short form we call it as OOSD. Okay. But the same paper is taught in engineering. There it is called as UML. UML. Unified Modeling Language. Okay. So here coming to the first unit, I'll just tell you the chapter names so that you can just note down. So unit 1 we have 3 parts. Unit 1 we have 3 parts. So from unit 1 we have from chapter 1 to 14. You can just write down, students. Syllabus later we'll send you the soft copy. I'm not asking you to write the entire syllabus. Just the rough things what I'm saying now. Unit 1. So unit 1 covers from chapter 1 to chapter 14 and also chapter 25. So this subject we have chapter wise, and each one chapter I'll be teaching in one class. Okay, so that much content is one chapter. So unit 1 we have total 15 chapters. 15 chapters, that is 1 to 14 chapters plus 25th chapter. So unit 1 will be having 15 chapters. So YV model is 1, introduction to the UML is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But we have only 15 chapters. Maybe the words I have counted again. So here we have only 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, components is the 5th chapter. Okay, each subheading is a chapter. So moving on to unit 2. Moving on to unit 2. So unit 2 is divided into 2 parts again. That is basic behavioral modeling and advanced modeling. So here chapter unit 2 is from 15th chapter to 24th chapter. 15th chapter to 24th chapter. That is 10 chapters we have for unit 2. And then moving on to unit 3. Unit 3 is from again 25th chapter, 25th to 31. 25th to 31. So 25th chapter is repeated in unit 1 and as well as unit 5. Okay. So, and these first 3 units are covered from textbook 1. So this is our textbook, Grady Booth, James Ramborg and Ava Jacobson. And the textbook title is Unified Modeling Language. So here it's bolded, you can just see under essential reading, one I'm talking about. Okay, Unified Modeling Language by User Guide. So this textbook also I have the soft copy. So very soon or maybe by today evening or afternoon, I'll be sharing this Word document and also the textbook PDF. Okay, so this is the first textbook, first one, Unified Modeling Language User Guide. So this is the first textbook covering first 3 units. Okay, Unified Modeling Language User Guide is a textbook covering first 3 units. And then moving on to Unit 4 and 5. Unit 4 and 5 are covered from textbook 2. That is Unified Modeling Language only, but it is process. It is process. So you can just make a note of these things. Unit 4, it's from textbook 2 and chapters are 1 to 5. So Unit 4, it's from textbook 2 and chapters are 1 to 5. And Unit 5, it's from textbook 2, chapters 6 to 11. So the subheadings, whatever you are able to see here, so each one is a title. Each one is a title of the chapter. Okay, so likewise we are having 6 chapters under Unit 5. So that is from textbook 2, chapters are from 6 to 11. So that means 6 chapters, total 6 chapters we have in Unit 5. Okay, so this is the briefing of the contents where exactly each unit is covered from. So textbook 2 is the second essential reading. So that is the authors are same, Ivor Jacobson, Grady Booth and James Ramborg. And the title, if you see, the Unified Software Development Process. So almost the textbooks, it looks the same when you see physically. But the difference is, the first one is the user guide. The second one is development process, software development process. So first textbook covers first 3 units and second textbook covers last 2 units. Okay. So moving on to the practical part, maybe after first unit or so I can start with. So weekly I have 4 classes, 3 for theory and 1 for practical. But the initial days until I cover first unit, I'll be taking all 4 theory sessions only. After that, I'll be giving the material, how to go about the practical and all. You need to start doing with that. Okay. And any other textbooks, if you are able to get online, you can check. Only the first textbook I have the soft copy now. Second one I'm not able to get. By the time we start with Unit 4 and Unit 5, so you can help me out by browsing or to get this textbook. So all these years I tried, I couldn't get. Maybe now, since in this panic period, they might make this textbook available online. So let's see. Okay. So the contents I will be posting in my files in Microsoft Teams only. So this document and the textbook PDF and all. So I'll be posting there. Okay. So this is the theory aspects what we are talking about. And from tomorrow, seriously, I'm going to start with the classes. Theory classes. So that is with the Unit 1. So I'll just give you 5 minutes time. So if at all still anything, any expectations from your side or anything, how you are feeling online classes. So if anything is there, I can try out my best for you. The same thing can be conveyed with the other ma'ams or HOD because the first session, first day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
grievances or uncomfortable from your side, you can just convey us. So the same thing will be carried to the authorities and it will be solved. So maximum we are doing our best. I hope we can do best on this platform. Any others other than Sai? No
Yes,
one is
ma'am.
responding.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How you are feeling?
Good, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, no? Keeping headphones and all, however you want, you can listen. But the only thing is you have to concentrate. Okay. Every as instructed by the father, I'm telling you, every week we need to conduct a test. Whether you are following it or not, since it's online, no. So maybe that test only will be considered for the other components, or if at all they ask us to do the other way, we have to do. But
For
for
each
now,
unit, ma'am.
as yes, ma'am.
For each and every unit, we conduct test, ma'am.
Not unit, my every week. They
Every
said
week.
in a staff meeting, they said since it is online, whether they are following it or not, what you are teaching, we need to conduct online test, they said. So what I'm planning to do is ask you orally only. In a week, ask you orally. If at all time doesn't permit me, then I may give you a Google form. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
What more?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bit louder, please. Saujanya? Saujanya, unmute yourself and talk.
Everything is okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So actually for degree, they have started for the entire day. From students' request, they made it only half day and 3 hours per day. Okay? So
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
into that consideration, only 3 classes. No, I think easily you can cope up. Afternoon, if you can take rest also, evening, if you can spend 1 hour, it will be done. Okay? So inform all your friends, those who haven't joined. Okay? So now I'll show you how we are going to take attendance, and with that I'll close this session.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Sharing the screen, I'm able to do it or not, I'll just see, because are you able to view my screen?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Unmute. Hmm. Here they sent me some instructions. Are you able to see all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just showing how it is done. I should check where it is downloaded. Now also are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how the attendance sheet will be generated, ma'am. So each one you can check your roll number here. So these are the things what every staff staff member is going to see. So roll number 16, at what time she joined. Okay. So likewise, we have all the roll numbers list. Which date, at what time you have logged in and what time you have logged out. Okay. This is how we are going to see. I don't know who it is. Just for your information, I just wanted to show you. So if you just see this row, 32 row, left joined, joined, left joined. So see like this. So every minute tracking, whether you are online listening classes or not, it will be traced. Okay. So maximum the college is doing their best for you to do, but the only thing you have to take it into your mind. That thing we cannot force. So again, please try to understand maximum how much we are doing. Okay. So before I end the session, I hope all of you are good, keeping good, healthy. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So keep continuing. Stay healthy, stay at home, don't roam. Okay. So for today, I'm closing the session. So from tomorrow, I'll be starting with the classes now. So please be serious with those. And before I stop, one thing I tell you, as soon as I close the session, okay, so it may be stopped for you or not, I just don't know, because the first day, you have to stop from this class and again you have to join for the next class. Okay, again go to calendar. How you have joined for this class? So similarly, you have to stop here and join there as soon as I stop here. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma, bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Tomorrow, come prepared for the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.